Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video, and this is all about Tbit AI. This Tbit AI provides us all premium models for free. So I will show you something very interesting. Just come here to the questions and answer. As you can see, is Tbit really free? Yes, the browser is free. Every model in the picker is free with no daily quota. There is no upsell tier hidden behind a paywall. So it is all about this. Okay, which AI models you can use. As you can see, GPT 5.5, Claude 4.7. This is the list of the models that you can use. 99% don't know about this. So to use it and install it, for that we can download their application for Mac and Windows. So simply I'm using Windows operating system. I will press Windows. So it will start download. As you can see, the download started, but I have already installed this. After installing their installer, it will download the Tbit application. So after installing it, now let's search it, Tbit. So let's open it. So it looks like a web coder, but it isn't a web coder. This is a browser. As you can see, we can search here, we can use it. This is a browser. So here we have the list of models. As you can see here, we can see all these models are available. All top models are available. So MiniMax M3, let's select this and let's start chatting with this. But before start chatting with this, we need to create our account inside this. Okay, and we will see our usage here. So let's first of all search, and it will ask from us to create your account. As you can see, login to use AI features. So let's I will agree. Okay, select this check mark and sign in with Google. So we will log in with our Google account. So I will write my email. Next. So I will write my password. So I have signed in with my email. So let's continue. So that's it. So now we can use this browser and we can chat with this. As you can see, it will answer to our query. Hello there, how can I help you today? So this was MiniMax M3. Let's select another model. For example, I think Cloud Post not available. Yeah, this model is available for free user. And just come here. This is about chart. That's it. And simply there was profile AI, all charts, my skills, my favorite tab groups. As you can see, 99.96 is remaining still. Okay, this percent is remaining. Daily checks, 0-day streak, resets in 167 hour. So this is all about this application. Let's select another model. Like we will select, saying this is not available also. So we will select Echo 4.5. Which model is this? I am Tbit, an agentic browser created by the Tbit team. I am designed to help the browser web interact with pages task efficiently like this. And we can select any other model like DeepSeek version 4 Pro. You can chat using this model. These models are available for free. Just some of them are available for free user, but all these top models are available like Kimi K2.7, MiniMax M2, GLM 5.2, and DeepSeek version 4, and other models as we have selected 5.1. These lower model, these are all available for free to use and chat with them. Specifically, this is like a chat, like we can use this for chatting. Whenever you want to chat, ask from it. So you can select these models. So here you can add a reference, and here let's select this, and here we can select chat in the gent mode. Okay, file generation, web page. As you can see down, generate PDF, generate PPT, generate Excel, generate code. All these like generate web script. It can generate web script also. If you want to take a new chat, just select this one. So here, whenever you click this your profile, so you will see all this. As you can see, 99.81% remaining our usage per today. So it was all about this Tabbit AI that no one knows about this and no one is talking about this. So I hope the video was helpful. If the video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and also leave a comment. and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.